Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to enable our call recording notifications. So if you're looking out how to do so, this video should guide you exactly through the method for that. So let's just dive right in and get started. You may open up the phone application for that directly, your Samsung phone application or even your Google Dialer if you're using that. And look out for the three dots, the more option in the top right, and tap on it. And just go over and access your settings of your phone application. Now, once you access your settings, you just need to look out for the option called record calls, recording calls, etc. and tap on it and go to the following settings and basically turn on the toggle option for the option called show notification after recording to get the alerts post call. So if this option is disabled right here, you can tap on it in order to enable it, and that will enable and get you alert post call and get you a notification alert. You can just go over and do so, and you can even select this option of auto record calls, and then there set up numbers with specific numbers, unsaved numbers, and basically set up auto recording alerts for those specific contacts as well. And that's it. Usually this is how you enable this feature right here. You may follow up these steps for that. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.